Can you believe a celebrity could cause such a scene on a flight and then pop up on the red carpet like nothing ever happened? That's exactly what Natasha Lyonne did, making headlines for reportedly being removed from a Delta flight only days before dazzling at a New York premiere, looking utterly unbothered. Insiders claim the Euphoria star seemed out of it and ignored multiple flight attendant requests to buckle up and stow her laptop before takeoff. The drama escalated quickly, with the plane reportedly taxiing out before having to turn back to the gate, leaving fellow passengers stunned and causing over an hour's delay. Witnesses even reported her asking, quote, as she was escorted off the plane, painting a truly bizarre picture. This shocking incident comes after Lyonne has been refreshingly open about her sobriety journey, even admitting to a recent relapse earlier this year, though she'd assured fans she was, quote, back on her feet. Despite the dramatic runway meltdown and whispers circulating, Natasha is clearly focused on moving forward, putting on a brave face for the cameras. For more exclusive celebrity scoops and airport sagas, make sure to hit that subscribe button.
Missed anything? Check our channel for more celebrity news and gossip.